Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon kid fishing. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of someone fishing, let's begin right here and let's start off by making the head. So I'm going to begin by just drawing a nice big smiley face shape that's just going to kind of go down and then up here. Next, right across here, I'm going to make some hair. Now you can make this a boy, you can make this a girl, you can do it however. I think I'm just going to draw a little cartoon boy right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this line up to here. And then I'm just going to make a couple little kind of pointed lines right across here. Then I'm just going to bring this line down to the other side. Now let's work on the eyes. I'm going to begin by putting one circle right here. And you can see it's a little bit closer to the side of the face. And then this circle I'm actually just going to draw so it's a little bit farther away from this side of the face. So we can kind of have it look like the character is looking this way. Next, I'm going to begin by making a circle. And I'm just going to color in most of this, leaving a little bit white for the pupil. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Just kind of draw the circle, leave a little bit white for the pupil. Next, let's make the nose. I'm just going to make a little curve for the nose. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up for the mouth. Draw a little line here. Make another line that's going to go down and then up. We're going to make a curve here for the tongue, and then we can just color in the rest of this. For the eyebrows, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and I like to make it a little bit fatter towards the middle. And then same thing here, we're just going to kind of go up and then down, and I kind of make it a little bit bigger right there. Now for the ears, I'm just going to draw half of an oval shape here, and then half of an oval shape right here, and this one will be a little bit bigger. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this line up right above the ears. Then as I bring this across, I'm going to make a couple more little points, and then bring it right to here. Now for the hat, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve this around and bring it down to here. And then right on top, let's make a little line that just comes right across here. Then for the rest of the hat, let's draw a line that's going to curve up and then down. And then we'll just make a little line that goes over and then down. Now starting here for the neck, let's just draw a line that's going to go down and up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes down here for the shoulders. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this over to here. And then right here, let's draw a line that's going to come down. And then we'll bring this line right over to here for one of the arms. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We'll make a little line across, and then another line that's going to come up, and we're going to go all the way down. Then we'll just connect it right to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to bring this line down just a little bit. Now, starting right above this hand right here, we're going to draw the other hand. So I'm going to start just by making a little bit of a curved line. And then I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up. And then we're going to curve this down to here. Then I'm going to add 2 little lines for the fingers, and then 2 right here. So we got some fingers on the hand. Then we're just going to draw 2 lines that meet right there. Then I'm going to bring this line up here, and I'm going to bring this line up here. And we'll bring it up a little higher and then come down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then back up. Next, I just want to bring this line down and then over to here. Now, I want to give our fishing pole a little reel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over. We're going to go down and then back. And then we're just going to make a little oval kind of hiding behind there. Then we'll make a little skinny rectangle right off there. Now let's draw a line right across here and then right across here. So it looks like our little character is wearing a t-shirt. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here, and we're just going to bring it right to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then a line that's going to come down right here. I want to bring this line over, and I'll bring this line over. We'll bring this line up to here, and then this line right here. So it looks like he's wearing some shorts. Next, we're just going to continue this line down, and then we'll start this other line right here for the leg. We'll do the same thing here. We'll draw this line down and make the other one right here. We'll make a little line across each one. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. And then I'll make a line that's going to come up and down right here for the shoes. We'll bring this over and then up. And same thing here. Bring this over and up. A little line across the bottom. And a little line across the bottom. Then I'll just curve this line down. Curve this line down. And we'll draw a little line up here and a little line up here. They'll make a little line across for the socks. Next, I want to make the line for the fish. So I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come across here. We're going to bring this in and then back here. Next, I'm going to draw a little circle on here for the bobber. And a little curved line here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come around and then back here. Now, to make the fish on here, I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up here. Then a line's going to come down. I'm going to bring this back and then this up. I'm going to curve this line around and down to here. And then I'm going to bring this line down and up here for the gills. Then we're going to bring this line up to here for the body of the fish. I'm going to bring this line up and around for one of the little fins. And this one over and then back in. I want to make this line come up and in, and then down and up. I'm going to curve a line up here. And then I'm going to make a little eye for the fish right there. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and then back. And then the final thing on here is I'm just going to make a couple little kind of bumpy lines right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon kid fishing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.